So this is the image I'm going to use. I am on Pixel Studio. So now let's select the shape tool, left click, and then select the rectangle tool. And now I'm just going to create my rectangle. And now I'm going to left click here on the rectangle color, change it to gradient. I'm going to left click here on the point here, and then left click on the color, and then I'm going to change it to black. So here it is, and I'm just going to left click here, and now I'm going to select the fill tool. So left click, and then select the fill tool. I'm going to move my gradient here to go from top left corner to the bottom right corner. And now here I can adjust the gradient here, the fading between black and white. So I'm going to leave it here. And now let's select the move tool. Make sure the snapping here is activated. And now I'm going to move my rectangle to the bottom right corner of my Canva. And now right click on the rectangle layer and then select merge down. So now we have only one layer. So now I'm going to create a new fill layer to serve as the background for this layer. So go to Pixel and then select new fill layer. So I'm going to change it here to white. And now I'm going to place it under the image layer. And now let's select the image layer, this one here. Left click here. And then select the mesh warp tool. And now I'm going to move this handle here. So as you can see, my cursor changed to black, so I can move the handle. I'm going to move it up like this. And now I'm going to adjust these handles here. I'm going to bring them down. So I'm going to bring down this one here to create the page curl effect. So like this. And then for this one, I'm also going to bring it down like this. I'm going to move up this point here. So now I'm going to zoom out, select the navigator here, and then I'm going to bring this slider here to the left. And now I'm just going to adjust the page curl here from the handles. So I'm going to reduce the zoom, so zoom out. And then I'm going to move this handle down again. So I think I'm going to leave it here, and now just click on apply. Now I'm going to zoom in, so like this. And now I'm going to create the shadow here under the page curl. So left click on the FX, select the outer shadow, and then left click. I'm going to move the layer effects window to the left. Select the black color here and the color. For the angle, I'm going to leave it to 315. And now I'm just going to increase the radius here and then increase the offset. So like this, so here it is. And now I'm going to add the slight shadow here in the edges. So now we need to make selection of this area here. So left click here and then select the float select tool. Now I'm going to reduce the tolerance. I'm going to left click. I'm going to change the mode here to add this area here like this. So I think here I'm okay. So now I'm just going to invert the selection since I want to add the shadow just here. So now go to Pixel selection, and then select invert. And now, for example, if I change the mode here to subtract, I am on the image layer. I'm going to left click on this area to deselect it. So the mode is subtract. In the float select tool, left click. So here it is. Now we have only this area here, the image layer selected, not the page curl or the background. Now I'm going to create a new pixel layer. Click on this icon here. Let's select the paintbrush tool. So now I'm going to select the brush, left click on the brush. I'm going to select the basic. So I'm going to select this one here. And now I'm going to click on this icon here to be able to edit it. Make sure the color is black. So now I'm going to leave these settings as they are. So now I think I'm okay. I'm just going to reduce a little bit this size. And now I'm just going to close this window and then let's try it. So here it's too much, Control Z to undo. So I think I'm just going to reduce the opacity here like this. So I just want left click here. I just want the very slight shadow. Make sure you're on the layer. Select the layer tab. Make sure you're on the new layer we created. and then I'm just going to paint here like this. So now I'm just going to select the eraser brush, and now I'm just going to erase a little bit here like this. So I think I'm going to leave it here. Now go to pixel selection and then deselect to remove selection.